What is up, YouTube? So I gotta be honest, the review I'm about to do was one I almost didn't bother doing because when I saw what this product was, I said to myself, another funnel builder? There's been an explosion of funnel builders over the past few years. ClickFunnels is the granddaddy of them. Uh, and there's been so many copycats of ClickFunnels. There's GrooveFunnels, there's all kinds of things. And I said to myself, the world doesn't need another funnel builder, okay? And then I took a look at Epic Funnels and I just said, wow, this is very different than what you usually see. This really impressed me. So I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Epic Funnels. Before we do get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and as regular viewers of the channel know, I am known as the man with the hat, and that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as well. Those day-old bagels sitting around that you really don't want to eat, but you kind of like hungry and you kind of feel like just snacking on something. So you pop it in the microwave, hoping that maybe it'll come out okay, but then it gets crunchy. I'm sorry, I'm kind of getting carried away. I'm excited. I'm moving back to the States in a few weeks and going to finally have real bagels again in New York. You know, I'm so excited about it. So, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually quite simple because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, seriously? Do you know how irritating that guy is? Bart, take a chill pill. You can one day take a day off, okay? Seriously. The way things work here, if I like your product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. Let me see. I love Liz. She's a sweetheart, you know. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, well, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this thing. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are on the sales page for Epic Funnels. Now, they have here a little screenshot from, it looks like JVZoo. I don't know what JVZoo has to do with this, to be perfectly honest. You could be making money on JVZoo using Epic Funnels also. I think the bigger value from it is not going to be from the usual make money online stuff. It's going to be from stuff that used to be my bread and butter. I still do it sometimes, working with real businesses. And that's something I really love, working with real businesses. You know, the make money online niche is so crowded. Oh, look at that. Frank Kern and Russell Brunson and Dan Locke, all people that they're competing with. Anyway, but so let's take a quick look at this. This guy is Zane Wilson. Okay, I don't know who Zane Wassim is. But anyhow, looks like he's making some money on Warrior Plus. So let me explain to you why I'm so excited about this and why I decided to do this review a day late. And I admit I'm a day late. I apologize. So if you already picked it up, well, too bad because you miss out on some truly epic bonuses. You see? See where I saw that? Anyway, sorry. It's been a long day. I'm getting ready to move. It's stressful. Anyhow. But seriously, so here's the deal. I am going to be offering you a truly epic set of bonuses when you pick up Epic Funnels from me. Now, to my mind, as I said, Epic Funnels, the thing that makes it really, really valuable is not using it for things like Warrior Plus and JVZoo, even though these people obviously are using it for these purposes. Okay, to my mind, what makes this thing truly valuable is to work with real businesses, like bricks and mortar businesses or other businesses that are online but not necessarily make money online type of businesses. There's so much out there, and it's so much easier to compete in those to get sales from those kind of businesses as opposed to the make money online niche, where basically it's marketers selling to other marketers. Okay, so if you've been struggling to make money online, pay close attention, because I'm going to drop a truth bomb on you. This particular niche is very saturated, very, very hard to do. Okay, yes, I am successful at it. Knock on wood, thank God I'm successful at it, but it is a very, very difficult niche to get into. And you can make so much more money if you try to do other niches that are online. And so what I'm going to do for you is like this. Basically, I have my products are broken up into separate packages, basically. Some of them are specifically focused on the make money online niche. Some of them are focused on the broader marketplace. So here's what I'm going to offer you. So in order to help you out, first of all, I'm going to give you a local video jackpot. Okay, that's something a lot of you may have already, but I'm going to give it to you anyhow. I'm also going to give you access to Unstoppable. So those two things are going to give you a lot of value. But I'm also going to do something really, really special. First of all, I'm going to give you access to Collar PLR. Collar PLR basically gives you a set of video courses that you can rebrand and sell as your own. And you could use these as bonuses when you are trying to approach local businesses using the methods I'm going to teach you, by the way, in Local Video Jackpot. You can use those methods, and you can use my video courses as a free gift that you can rebrand and give away. You have the ability to make your own logos using it. So it's going to be all inclusive for you. All three of those are going to be included. Now, here's what's going to be really, really epic. If you pick up any upgrade to Epic Funnels from me, then what I'm going to do for you is like this. I'm going to offer you not one, but actually 10 licenses for my own Conversion Champ. Conversion Champ is the software that pops up those little notification things that say, so-and-so does support such and such. Or it popped up random reviews, or it popped up those exit intent things, all kinds of cool stuff like that. So I'm going to give you not one license, but 10 licenses. And the idea is like this. Use these to actually make yourself look unique when you're working with a local business. So pick up any upgrade, you get 10 licenses to Conversion Champ that you can actually use to give away to local businesses. You get a full year license you can give away for free to local businesses. All right, they're going to get their own personal license to Conversion Champ. You give it away to them, 100% for free. There'll be instructions in the bonus doc in order to do that. And for every single additional upgrade that you pick up, you get another 10 licenses. If you pick up the entire funnel, in other words, you pick up everything inside of the Epic Funnels funnel, for lack of a better word, pick up all of the upgrades, then I'm not going to just give you 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Then I'm actually going to give you 500 licenses for Conversion Champ. So that'll really set you up that you can have like a serious number of these to basically build yourself up with local clients. And you'll have 500 licenses that you can give away if you pick up the entire funnel. So that's in addition to stuff that Billy, who created Epic Funnels, is Lindsay, let me give away for free. But these are things that are all custom coming from me. So once again, you're going to be getting from me, you're going to get Local Video Jackpot and Unstoppable and Collar PLR. Okay, plus if you pick up any upgrade, you get 10 licenses to Conversion Champ. And if you pick up the entire funnel, you get 500 licenses to Conversion Champ. You can give them away as you see fit. All you got to do is basically, you'll have the instructions in the bonus doc exactly how to give them away. It's going to be very, very easy for you. Basically, send an email to my support staff. They'll take care of you. So let's go and take a look at the members area, because I want to show you why I was so excited about this, why I said, yes, this is so different. Okay, so they have a funnel builder. And the funnel builder is a pretty typical funnel builder. You can see here. Go to funnels. Okay, you can see I just did a testing, but they also have a few templates here: real estate agent, life insurance agent, auto dealership, and local consulting. So you can copy these, make a copy. Okay, you can edit them. Obviously, you can see what they look like. They have landing pages and they have a survey which then the survey is obviously, something really nice because it basically asks a series of questions. This is a modern style of funnels that a lot of people are using now, where they ask a series of questions because it gets people engaged. Okay, and of course they have a thank you page. So, and you have these things, you can go ahead and copy them as you see fit. You can also make your own. But that's not what really impressed, because a lot of funnel builders have that feature actually. Okay, but what really, really blew me away was the campaigns. Check this out. Okay, so you go to campaigns, you can create a brand new campaign. So let's say we click create campaign. We'll just call it test, just for the heck of it. Okay, you already called one test, but okay. So let's click add event. Now check this out. This blew my mind. Okay, because usually a campaign is email. That's what we do. Okay, but again, as I said, to my mind, the thing that makes this thing valuable is using it with local businesses, not just the usual make money online people, which means you don't just have email, you have SMS, you have Facebook Messenger, you can make phone calls, automated phone calls or manual phone calls. Like, hey, you can set up voicemails, manual SMS, webhooks, or any kind of task that you like. In other words, this is specifically designed to allow you to start making money by working with local businesses, and it's got a complete setup for everything you could possibly need in order to make money from a local business. That simply blew my mind when I saw this. And of course, the price of the thing is $17. I mean, that's insane. Okay, yeah, it's probably going to be a little bit more by the time you see this. I think it goes up a penny per hour. But still, you know what? That just blew my mind when I saw this thing. That look at all those features in there that are included. Okay, and you have all these different things. Of course, you have SMS and email templates as well. So you can go over there and actually use some of the templates. Actually, I'm sorry, you don't have templates. You can add a template. So you can create your own templates to use with this software. It's really, really, really impressive stuff that really makes a massive, massive difference for you. So let's see if we can give a tip of my hat to the product creator.
For the giant hat, sir.
A massive, massive tip of my hat. Like I said, if it was just another funnel builder, I would have been like, okay, yeah, been there, done that. Didn't get the t-shirt because who really cares? But this one is so much more than just another funnel builder. It really, really blew my mind how comprehensive this software is, what's included here. And so, yeah, it definitely makes sense to my mind to grab this thing. This one is absolutely a no-brainer. You're going to love this one.